What are you doing? Say hi. Hi. Hey, go play with the ducks. Go play with Rusty and Roddy. Why not? You want to give them food? No? They're hungry. Are you hungry? No? You want to go inside? No? You want to play with the water? No? Are you standing on the grass? No? You tired? Yeah. You want to give water to Rusty and Roddy? Yeah.
Roddy,